Everyone, what if I told you that one food could build muscle, boost brain function, and even help with fat loss? By simply eating this food regularly, you can improve protein intake, enhance memory, and strengthen your immune system. But most people think of it as just a simple breakfast ingredient. However, if you truly understand its benefits, your health can change dramatically. This superfood is one of the most complete sources of protein, providing essential amino acids that keep your body strong and healthy. Yet many of us underestimate its true potential. Starting today, you need to see this differently. That food is eggs. Eggs? Aren't they just an everyday food? If that's what you're thinking, you have no idea how powerful eggs really are. Eggs are not just another ingredient, they are one of the most complete and nutritious superfoods for your body. Let's explore the incredible benefits of eggs and the best ways to eat them for maximum health benefits. The amazing health benefits of eggs. First, eggs help build muscle and burn fat. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which plays a crucial role in muscle growth and recovery. Studies show that people who eat eggs regularly develop muscle faster and reduce body fat more effectively than those who don't. If you work out or want to maintain a lean physique, eggs should be a staple in your diet. Second, eggs improve brain function and enhance memory. Eggs are rich in choline, a vital nutrient that supports brain health. Choline is essential for producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that improves focus, learning, and memory. This makes eggs one of the best foods for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to boost brain function. Studies show that a lack of choline can lead to memory decline and cognitive impairment. If you want to prevent brain aging and enhance mental sharpness, make sure to eat eggs regularly. Third, eggs protect your eyes and slow down aging. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that help maintain eye health and reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. In today's world, where most people spend hours staring at screens, these nutrients are more important than ever. Research shows that people who eat eggs regularly experience less eye strain and maintain better vision as they age. Additionally, eggs are rich in vitamin A, which helps prevent night blindness. How should you eat eggs for maximum benefits? Eggs are incredibly versatile, but some methods help you retain their nutrients more effectively. Soft-boiled eggs. Boiling eggs for 78 minutes is one of the healthiest ways to consume them. This method keeps the proteins intact, while maintaining a creamy texture that is easy to digest. Soft-boiled eggs preserve more antioxidants and essential nutrients compared to overcooked eggs. Eggs fried in olive oil. If you prefer fried eggs, use olive oil or butter instead of processed cooking oils. These healthy fats increase nutrient absorption and make the eggs even more nutritious. For best results, cook eggs on low heat to retain their protein structure and prevent oxidation. Egg salad. Eggs pair perfectly with salads for a well-balanced meal. Try combining eggs with avocado, nuts, and olive oil to enhance their nutritional value. This combination provides a balance of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins for optimal health. It's time to see eggs differently. Now you know eggs are not just an ordinary food. Eggs help build muscle, support brain health, and protect your eyesight. They are one of the most complete and powerful superfoods you can eat. This is not just another protein source, it's a natural powerhouse for your body. And simply eating eggs daily can make a huge difference in your overall health. Starting today, make eggs a part of your meals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more amazing health tips and delicious recipes in the next video. See you soon!